Got this. Wait, do it. Is it a... Ah!
Not now.
Pretty. Like that.
Here's your salad.
I'm gonna get this. One more thing. Oh, that was not the one more thing, but that was really good timing. Ow. That hurt. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. Whoops. From the big girl spoon to the little girl spoon. Is it gonna get the spoon in my mouth? At least I'm burping. Sorry. Oh my god. That was a bad one. I won't go in the burger. Wait.
We gotta go listen to Wetzel concert.
Oh my god. Are you okay? Oh my god.
You never will know what you can't achieve before you don't achieve it. My point is...
Yeah.
My house looks a little bit like yours.
Oh my god.
I think it's over.
Did I just stop? Am I gonna be sick off books fizz? What is going on?
No way.